In this video, we're going to explore how we can use the array to string method in JavaScript. And this method will help you convert an array into a string. So let's start and explore how we can use this or how to do this. But before I do that, if you want to learn about Chart.JS, check out the Chart.JS Udemy course. See the link in the description box. Alright, let's start and explore how to do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create an array, and in this case we're going to say here the array will be named month. And as you can see here, this is just a basic HTML file here, and this is the template we're going to use it on. So nothing special, and here we're going to create an array. Let's say month, January, Feb, and March. So we have three values in this array, or three elements. If we say now console.log, you will see them immediately, month. And if we say also, we're going to check the length of them, console.log, and then we say month dot length. And if we refresh this and open up our developer tab, you can see here immediately, and I'll just move this a little bit, alright. You can see here we have a length, and it counts here three values in here. And that's exactly what we want. So there's three values in here. So that's for this, of course. However, what happens if we change the month into a console.log, to the string array? Then you will see that it will change it. So let's try this. So we say here a month dot to string, and we will put this in a console log as well. Console.log, and let's save this and let's see what happens now. So the moment we do this, you can see now it becomes a string. It shows all these elements which were first separated here nicely are now all together into one single value. And if we would do now a month.length, or at least based on this, let's create here a new constant x equals month to string, and then we say here console.log, and we say x.length. So we're going to create basically this here and get the length of that value. And let's save this, and you'll see now the length has been adjusted. As you can see, what happens now, it sees 11 items here, or 11 data points. Why is the length 11 now? Well, basically you can see here we have the month, that's 3 letters, and then we have here the comma is 1 letter, so this makes 4. And this here plus 3 again is 7, and then here again plus the comma is 8, plus 3 items here, 3 letters here, or 3 characters, which makes it 11. So what happens? Instead of a length of calculating the length of the array, it's now start to calculate how many characters does this string have. So we can adjust this as well. Let's say here we make a new string. We just type in here something. Hello, this is a string. You can see now it just does the same thing. Length is basically a double function, and in here now it converts it. And this is basically how you can use the toString method in JavaScript.